peeps, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. My name is Arietta and today I've got another unboxing for you from the wonderful Paint Gem, the company best known for their teeny tiny mini paintings that we have all grown to love. They've become incredibly popular recently. So this is my second lot of minis from them. I will pop the unboxings to my first lot of minis up in the corner so you can have a look at those. The first ones that I did were the mini masterpieces, looking at they were based on classical artworks. This one is something a little bit nearer and dearer to my heart. First things first though, interesting to note, this is a different packaging. The other paint, oh, excuse my squeaky chair. Do I have anything close by? Yes, I do. So the other Paint Gem products came in this style of packaging, which I'm currently repurposing for other things. But so this is what the previous minis came in. They were all rolled up together. So this is a very different style of box. It's a good sturdy cardboard, and we always like a good sturdy packaging. So let's get inside. Oh, that's lush. It's such a simple thing, but it makes me happy that it's so colourful. So we've got all of our beautiful rainbow colours. Look at those, absolutely lovely. I think there's about 32 colours. So this maybe, leave a little, yeah, 32 colours it says, although we will see. We'll open this up and have a little look at the inventory. So yeah, there we go. I could only see down to 16 and it was worrying me a little bit. So yeah, you can see we get our inventory sheet with the DMC codes for all of the symbols. And again, we have just alphanumeric symbols, nothing unusual or weird or difficult to understand. So that is lovely. What I did previously was I just cut this out, popped it through my sticker maker, and then used this to make the stickers for my pots. If you don't like to work that way, that's entirely your choice. You could write it out by hand. I know some people that just use the numbers and work that way. So I won't bother doing a full colour run through, but you can see we've got a fairly hefty bag there of 310, which is our black. We've got only a little tiny bit of white though, but then a nice selection of rainbow colours. Really, really lovely. And of course these are all square drill, and certainly historically I have been super happy with the quality of the squares from Paint Gem, so hopefully long may that continue. We get everybody's favourite, the Macaroon Wax. I just really love these containers. They're so super cute. They stop your wax from getting covered in dust, dirt, debris, and just they keep it nice. It's a cute thing to have. We get our little resealable pencil case style baggie, which has got in it our small white boat, our white plastic tweezers. To be honest, I don't use these. I do prefer a metal pair, but if you're a beginner and you're starting off, these will do you just fine. So we got our pen, which is slightly, it's clear with a slight glitter, single placer. I think this is probably an 8, and then we also get a 3 placer as well, if that's what you prefer to work with. And then our canvases, which no longer come on a roll and now come individual. This is much better because I did find that they had a bit of a tendency to roll up previously. So this kit is all gorgeous tattoo designs, hence why I said it was something that was very much my style. So we have got these lovely lovely designs. We've got a bluebird for hope. We've got a little sailor man with his pipe. We've got a letter in a bottle, lighthouse. They're all very traditional tattoo designs. We've got an anchor with love heart, girl, a knife through the heart, little forget-me-not flowers, flaming love, a ship, got a swallow carrying a letter home, got a lucky with dice and diamonds, and then a skull with a crown. These are great. These are, I guess you could say that they were partial, because you're not going to be diamond painting any of this white background. You are only diamond painting the actual image, which is poured glue and really clear. You're not going to have any problems doing that at all, and these will be super, super quick. Don't have one to hand. Let me just grab this one. So this one took me a little under an hour, I think, to do this one. So these ones that are they have more, well, I say they have more white space. They're a slightly larger design on the whole, but you're still going to have that white around the edge. So I would say they are going to take you certainly no longer than an hour each. That is still an awful lot of lovely, enjoyable crafting time that you get from this kit. This kit is $34.90. That gets you everything you see here, and many hours of enjoyment. You can use my code, which I will put on the screen now, THECRAFTYWITCHUK, and that will give you a 10% discount. So please do give Paint Gem a try. They are, or certainly my experience, and I can only speak from that, they have been a wonderful products to complete. I have enjoyed every minute of my crafting time that I've been completing their products. Been so happy with them. The quality of the drills is really what makes it for me, because I know for a lot of people squares are a bit of a scary endeavour, and I think a lot of that fear comes down to that there is a far smaller margin for error when working with squares compared to working with rounds. I can do the cheapest round painting with fairly poor quality drills and still complete it in a decent amount of time and enjoy the process. Whereas with squares, if you're constantly having to sift through misshapen drills, it takes a lot of the fun out of it, and it just becomes a bit tiresome and tedious. So yeah, that's why I am super happy with what they have produced, to the point that now when I'm bagging up my leftovers and spares, I have been keeping Paint Gem drills separate, which is something I've never done before with other companies, because I don't want them to get muddled up with lesser quality drills, shall we say. So I'm going to stop rambling, because that is exactly what I'm doing. I'm going to leave this here. As always, as I complete these, they will either go into my Friday finishes, or you will see them on my Instagram. I will try and get some of these done as soon as possible so you can see some progress. In the meantime, if you enjoy my content and would like to see more, please do consider subscribing, become a member of the Crafty Coven, and I will see you in my next video. Stay crafty.